Today, I'm going to show you how I ranked #1 on Google in just 5 hours using Perplexity. Not 5 days, not 5 weeks, 5 hours. And I'm giving you everything, the exact prompts I typed in, the exact strategy I followed step by step, the exact results I got. This isn't theory. This is what actually worked. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to copy this process for your own content. So stick around because this is going to change how you think about SEO forever. The memory update is insane. Perplexity now remembers everything you tell it across all your conversations, your preferences, your interests, what you've asked before. It's like having an assistant who actually pays attention. So when you ask for content ideas, it already knows your niche, your audience, your style. No more repeating yourself every single time. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Now let me walk you through exactly what I did, step by step, nothing left out. This is the exact process I used to rank #1 in 5 hours, and you can copy this word for word. First thing I did was find the right keyword, not just any keyword, the right keyword. One that had traffic, but wasn't impossible to rank for. So I opened Perplexity and type this exact prompt. What are the top trending search keywords today in the niche healthy lunch recipes for busy professionals global? Now, why did I pick this niche? Because it's relatable. Everyone eats lunch. Busy people need quick solutions. It's perfect for daily life content. Perplexity came back with a list of trending keywords, things like quick lunch meal prep, 30-minute lunch recipes, office lunch ideas. All of them had decent search volume, but here's the trick. Volume doesn't matter if you can't rank, so I needed to filter these down. The second prompt from that list, which keywords show relatively low competition but high interest and why? This is where Perplexity gets scary good. It analyzed each keyword, showed me which ones had fewer high authority sites competing, which ones had search intent I could actually capture. It picked out 30-minute lunch recipes for professionals as the winner. Good volume, low competition, perfect. Now I had my keyword. But a keyword alone doesn't rank. You need content, good content, content that actually solves the problem. So I went to prompt 3. Using the top keyword you selected, generate a content outline video blog aimed at office workers with only 30 minutes to cook lunch and include 5 sections.